Hello friends, I'm Kushal back again with the same alter table command. We had seen in the previous video about adding a new column, dropping an existing column and modifying an existing column. Now we will see how we can rename an existing tables column. So let us check how we can rename. Let me quickly go to the MySQL, and here we were working on employees table. So let me again describe. So these are the columns in the employees table, and I want to rename some of the column names or one of the column names. So let me rename, and for that I will use alter table command, employees, and I will make use of change keyword here, change column, and let's say we want to change salary, and we want to change salary to sal. And if we want to have some more any definition, we can have the definition here. So from float I have converted the salary into sal and double. Okay, so this is how we can rename. So okay, so this was example of rename. So we can see sal, it has become sal, and the data type has become double now. Very similar way we can change the name of a table as well. So I will check how many tables we have, show tables, and we have one sample table as well. Okay, so let's describe sample. We have ID and name. Okay, so if I want to change the name of the table, I will use alter table sample and then rename to, let's say, small emp. So what I did, I renamed the sample table to small emp, and now if I do show tables, you can see that sample has become now, this sample has become now small emp. And if I describe, small emp, we get the exactly same output. So this is how we can rename a particular table. So renaming a column and renaming a table. Alright, so this was about alter table command, and in the next upcoming sessions I'll come up with more SQL fundamental session. Thank you.